Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the second row easy access sliding seats in the 2021 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an LX Premium all-wheel drive in Pacific Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button for the sliding easy access is right up here on the shoulder of the second row seat. So if I go ahead and press that button, that puts the seat back forward and allows the whole seat to slide so you have better access to the third row. You can manually move it back yourself, and there's also another button down here on the side next to the seat back lever that will serve the same purpose. So if we go ahead and press that, it's going to allow the whole seat to move forward, and again, when you're done, you just manually move it back. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.